we're going to do a room tour of the Crow's Nest Suite at the Kenai River Lodge in Savannah, Alaska. So when you walk in, you immediately come to the kitchen. It overlooks a little bit right here. You can kind of see the Kenai River. You see the bridge that heads on to Homer, or you can even go this way to the right and it heads on to Kenai. So it's kind of a cute little view. You got a full sink, and which is why we picked it, because it was the only room that had a full kitchen. So full kitchen includes an oven. And since we were family, and we're visiting family, but we didn't know if we would be there the whole time, we wanted to make sure we had this. And it was cheaper than any Airbnb that I did see that was nice. So, alright. The only thing is if you leave any dishes, there's a $50 fee. So, but it comes with dish soap, a rack for dishes, a scrub, all of the stuff was included. It looks like people kind of leave some extra stuff for you because when you open this up, we went to the store to buy things, but they had coffee filters, cream, sugar, coffee, salt, pepper, plasticware. It's fully stacked of dishes, mixing, all of the stuff you can think of. No K-cup. Just regular coffee pot. It comes with a toaster, microwave, stuff for teas. I don't know how safe that is. But still, overall, it's really nice. Oh, and a little ice bucket too, because downstairs they did have ice, or we can just probably go outside. So full-on oven, and then you also have a fridge here. You got a freezer. We already have some stuff in it. Same for here, put your Baileys, milk and stuff like that. So really, overall really nice. And then really good, table. Has a full bench, chair, and I think that one's a bench too. So easily we can get our family of 5 in here, perfectly nice for a dinner. And then you're gonna come up over here, you're gonna step up for the first room. So really nice first room. You got a full-size dresser. I like that, especially because sometimes you don't. But the one thing in here, it's kind of angled weird, but you get a lot of cubby space. And so they even have a little suitcase rack, an ironing board for you, but lots of space. It's a twin-size bed. So I am 5'4", so you can kind of. I'm sure if I backed up, but the only thing is in the morning you're gonna have to reach out for it. Maybe you don't bang your head. But this is definitely going to be one of the kids' beds. I like it for the kids. You get a little nightstand. It'd be better if they had a little night light, but that's okay. And bathroom's here, but we're going to do that second. Then you walk into the main area. You have another twin-size bed here. Then you have another one over here.
It's mine.
It's yours. With a little mini closet. More shelf space. There's the iron. Foam, Kleenexes, don't touch the phone. And then you have, I would say this is a queen size with another full size bed. So you can easily fit 3, 4, 5, 6 people in here, no problems. You could even have somebody probably sit on the couch because you also have that. It might be a pull-out couch. I'm not really sure. We're not going to use that. So you have a couch, a little bit more storage here. It's one of those.
Whoa.
Has some information. And then we got a TV with more storage. TV with more storage down here. I was wondering if they had old school TVs. So it looks like they have a DVD player. And then you have another dresser, which is really cool. You have more storage, I know you might not think it's storage space, but storage space over here for suitcases, stuff like that, to kind of get them out. Or a lot of people use this because it's close to the Kenai River, so maybe fishing gear, stuff like that. And then your view. So we don't have a balcony in this one. We stayed here before we had a balcony, but it's a whopping 0 degrees right now, so we're fine. But you do have a little bit of a view of the Kenai River. So that's pretty, I think, on both alignments. You can kind of see them both windows. But really spacious, and we have 2 toddlers that I think this is gonna work out great. And then right outside the bathroom, they have a nice full-length mirror. And then the only thing is that makes a really fun sound. So really for standards and for what what we need the bathroom for, it's great. Like you got your toilet, sink, a little bit of storage-ish over there. But you got a little mini vanity with all these soaps. It's more eco. You know, it's like little 2-for-1 soaps and stuff like that. And then you also have a shower. So nothing special. We knew that this one did not come with a tub. But the one that came with the tub just did not have a full kitchen. And we wanted to make sure that we had that in case we need to cook a meal or something while we're in here. So comes with towels, all that stuff. So really, I think it was for Thanksgiving. We paid I think it was $150, maybe less than $150. So we're staying here Tuesday through Friday. That's Tuesday night, Wednesday, 4 nights. So for 4 nights it costs $450. So you can do the math on that. But it was a lot cheaper than Airbnbs. Plus we add taxes and the cleaning and stuff like that. Lots of space, lots of running around for kids, and great proximity to the town of Sullivan. So for adults, this Kenai River Lodge also has a bar now, and so we might be paying our teenager to babysit, so we can walk over there and have a date. But you have a grocery store just down the road, and I mean, really, it's really great proximity if you're here to fish or anything. So yeah, that's a crow's nest suite.